Hey guys, Scott Hudgins here with Dodd RV. We got a brand new Rockwood Mini Lite 2515S. 2 slide outs, rear kitchen. Let's get started, take a look. Hey guys, remember, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slides in so you can see what you do and don't have access to in travel. All right, stand at the entry door looking in. You see your stone decor and Sedona Cabinetry, so your light fabric, your light cabinets. Standing at the back looking forward, you got the pass-through bathroom to the bedroom. You've got the rear kitchen. That's where we'll start. So tons of cabinets, drawers, the refrigerator, which is the new mirrored front. You've got a nice organized booklet here with all your goodies in there. And then one thing I always like to talk about, Rockwood gives you the TST, so your tire monitoring system is included. So nice feature there. Check your temperature, pressure, nice safety thing that they include. Another nice thing about this fridge is dual hinge. You can open it from either side. So if you're coming in from outside and you just want to open it real quick and get something, no problem. Same with the freezer. You can open it from either side. Your fuse panel, circuit breakers down low. Up top, the RV control panel, control your lights, check your holding tanks, your awning, your slides, all in one convenient area. Solar controller. It does have the solar panels on the roof we'll look at. Your kitchen area, you've got dual covers here that are flush for the stainless steel sink. Overhead storage, microwave, exhaust does exhaust outside, and you do have a light. Little charging area here that drops down into the countertop. LED lights. That flush cover acts as a splash guard for your 3-burner range. Little cubby holes, nice deep drawers. Little false panel there. Everything has access panels front to back, whether it's to the hot water heater, furnace, but tons of storage there. You've got pantry. The shelves are removable, so you can utilize it for hanging or pantry. You've got removable tables. So each side has got a little bracket, which that will come off, but you can swing this, adjust the height, and you've got a table where you can eat there and watch TV or sit at the traditional dinette. The theater seats have storage, charging pad. They do recline. You've got the pull cord here for the footrest. You got overhead storage. All of the overhead storage has got the shocks to hold it up for you. Throughout, you've got the nice Rollershades and your fire escape window. Staying in the living area, your dinette does drop down to make a bed. We'll take a look at that. All right, on the dinette, basically one of the old dream dinette setups. You unlock it like so, push it down. You gotta lock it back in place, and then it stays down. Drop your cushions. See that Velcro there? And then you've got your bed all ready to sleep. And again, you can leave it down all the time. You can pop it up out of the way. Pull that lever, raise it up, lock it in place. And again, utilize that Velcro for the cushions. And it's as easy as that for setting up and breaking down the booth dinette. You got nice drawers, receptacles. We mentioned the TV, but it is a 32-inch smart TV. We'll do 12 volt. It's got the swing arm where you got easy access to the hookups. If you're trying to hook up gaming system or change the angle, you've got that. You've got a 15,000 BTU AC, which is ducted. Your thermostat on the wall here. Nice room around the toilet. Glass enclosed shower. So you got nice room in the shower. And again, I'm 6'5". My head is almost all the way up in the skylight. So you got a little bit of room there. Shower miser. Nice way of saving hot water. Your heat ducts, AC ducts. You got a Maxxair fan with a cover on the roof. Lots of storage in the bathroom. You got lights, nice night light down low. Storage, your medicine cabinet. Solid doors that close off the bedroom from the bathroom. You do have a door from the outside as well, so if someone's in the shower, you can go around and still make it in the bedroom. Storage underneath and drawers. Heat ducts down low. You do have a spot for a TV on the wall here. And we did equip it with a second Maxxair fan with a cover. You got storage, hanging storage on this wardrobe slide. Lights, charging areas all the way around. That front windshield does have a shade that comes down. And you got storage up top. Your windows open. You go back to the living area. Your brand new 2024 Forest River Rockwood Mini Light 2515. We'll work our way outside. Go from there. Hey guys, before we head outside, remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new camper on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Also check down in the description. I have all your specs, holding tank sizes, and measurements. And remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, moving to the outside, your automotive windshield, Rockwood Mini Light logo, your LED light right up front is controlled here, which gives you nice light. Dual battery box. It will come with one battery, but you can always add a second. Nice rock guard. 7-pin and chain holder. Your power tongue jack. Two 30-pound LP bottles. Magnet here. Holds your door. Side swinging door here. Huge storage. So you got the outside shower cord, prep table, a bunch of goodies in there we'll take a look at. Lighting, nice clean aluminum frame. Slam latch. We did equip this with slide toppers that are not standard, but we did equip them with that. Nice add-on. Your black tank flush, water hookup, winterization, pull valves for your black and gray tanks. Frameless windows. Another storage area here in the slide. So that'll give you some taller stuff you can put in. We are looking at a 30 amp service. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. Right up on the roof, you got your two solar panels, AC, two Maxxair fan covers, TV antenna, and the top of those slide toppers. You are prepped for backup camera, exhaust for your range, backside of your hot water heater. With the spare tire slid over, you've got access to the receiver, which is 300-pound hitch rating. Nice for bike rack, storage bin. Another outside shower hookup, which will spray your steps, or will reach up to where the griddle goes. Well, I'll show you in a second. Your jacks, electric stabilizer jacks. Switch here controls your rear two jacks, and that's about as quick as they go down, going just off of a battery. So good 10-15 seconds puts those down. Your step above entry steps fold up. You've got the trigger here for quick adjustment on those. Large assist handle. Got a full-length power awning with LED lights. Outside speakers. The door's got a friction hinge so it stays where you leave it. And then the screen door has got the Lippert screenshot, which slams the screen door for you. got easy shock assist on the steps. We're looking at Goodyear Endurance tires, 14-inch. There's the rack here for your prep table and the outside griddle. And you've got a power and cable hookup, and the TV mount is built in. So you can bring the TV outside, hook it right up. Your front door goes into the bedroom, and you've got those same step above steps. So look nice, clean, no exposed frame there. Other side of your pass-through storage. Nice magnets here that hold up your cranks. Mainly your backup cranks, backup for the power tongue jack and your jacks. And then while we're down here, nice, clean, fully enclosed, heated underbelly. And then you've got your front stabilizer jacks here, and they're controlled here. So electric stabilizers, you see one hit, the other one kept going. Puts pressure. Solar prep, you can do a portable solar panel, which will trickle charge those batteries for you. All right, your brand new 2024 ROCKWOOD Mini Lite 2515S. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, with the slide in, as promised, you're not getting to the bathroom from here, but you do go through the master bedroom, second door, and you got full access that way. As for in here, you can still get to the sink, the refrigerator, storage, no issues there.